Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Hi guys, today we will see the differences between the string buffer and string builder. We'll also see some of the similarities between these three classes. We can see only one similarity in these three classes, like all these three comes under the same packages, like java.lang package, and we'll see one by one the differences between these three. Okay, the first one is very important, that is a mutability nature. So string is immutable and string buffer is and string builder is mutable in nature. So this is normally common question asked in the interview room, like what is the difference between the mutability and immutable, which class object we can create mutable or immutable. So what exactly the immutable in nature? Already I have created separate video for string buffer and string builder, separate video. So if you didn't watch, please go and watch for better understanding the differences between these three. The immutable in nature, the string object once you create, that is immutable. That is because once you create the object, we can't able to modify. That is called as immutable. But in case of string buffer and string builder, once you create an object, we can able to alter the object. We can modify the content of the string buffer and string builder object. That's why it is called as mutable. We'll see in this example. Now let me open the Eclipse. So I have created the string builder object here. Similarly, let me create similar object for string and string buffer as well. Okay. So let me update these data, like let me take this one as a string buffer object as well, the string builder. Okay, I have taken the three classes here. One is string buffer and string builder. So if I run this program, yeah, definitely used to get all the output whichever you declared here. So let me make it this as a string buffer. Okay, so we won't identify any differences now. Suppose if you want to get proper output, let me add some of the value. Let me add a dot. Let me concatenate something. Okay, a dot. Let me update Java program. Let me update Java. Let me update the same text in all other as well. So in case of string buffer, we need to use sbf dot append value. Okay, in case of string buffer, sb dot. Let me use the same text here, and similarly here also. Okay, this is done now. Now you can see the differences if I run this program. So in the three classes, I have updated the same, like suppose I have initiated some text, I am going to append these values in case of string buffer and the string builder. If I run this program, you will get the string buffer and string builder got the concatenated output, but a string we didn't get. That's why it is called immutable, because object is not modifying in case of string, but in case of string buffer and string builder, the objects are modifying. So that's why the string is called immutable in nature and string buffer are mutable. So if I want to get the updated one, so I need to assign these value into some other variable. So let me update with the same variable. Then if I run this program, I can able to find the updated details here. See ProTechBeach Java program, and similarly for string buffer and string builder as well. We can say that the string buffer and string builder are mutable and string is immutable in nature. So hope you got this complete idea, because this is very important question for the interview room, guys. We'll move on to the next one regarding the storage. As we have discussed earlier, there are two ways we can create the object in the string. One is for string literals and the new keyword in case of the string, but in case of string buffer and string builder, we need to create only using the new keyword. If you create the string object using the double quoted with content, then the data will go and save in the string constant pool. If you use the new keyword, it will go to the heap area. There are two possibilities object can save in these two places, but in case of string buffer and string builder, it always goes to the heap area, because it doesn't go to the string constant pool. It only goes to the heap area, because where in string builder and string buffer, we have an option to create the object by only using the new keyword. Okay, this is the differences regarding the storage. The string implements serializable and comparable and character sequence interface, but in case of string buffer and string builder, it implements serializable and char sequence interfaces. Yeah, similarly, like string builder class, we have it is public final class, it extends the object class of the Java and implements serial and char sequence. But in case of string, we have string class, public final class, and it extends the object class of the Java and implements serial also it implements the comparable interface as well. So these are the main differences between the StringBuffer and StringBuilder regarding the implements. Next differences, that is synchronization. String and StringBuffer are synchronized in nature and StringBuilder is non-synchronized. Since these two are synchronized, it is called as thread safe, but it is not a thread safe. Why it is called synchronized? Because once you create string buffer or string object, we can't able to allow multiple thread to operate on it. At a time, one thread can operate on string and string buffer. But in case of StringBuilder, it is allowing to operate multiple thread at a time on the StringBuilder object. So that's why it is called not thread safe, and these two are thread safe. So regarding the which version it got introduced, the string and string buffer it introduced at the earlier stage, that is Java 1.0, but StringBuilder introduced in Java 1.5. Finally, we'll see if you consider the performance wise, the string and string buffers are slow compared to the StringBuilder because of the thread safe and non-thread safe concept. String and string buffer are, as it is synchronized, right? So it is not allowing one by one. Only one thread completes their operation, then only it is allowing next thread to operate on it. But in case of StringBuilder, it is allowing multiple thread can operate on the single object, so that the performance definitely it will be very high. So these are the differences and similarities between the string buffer, StringBuilder, and string. So in this video we saw that the similarity regarding the package, and differences we saw like the string and string buffer and StringBuilder. The string is immutable in nature, string and string buffer are mutable. Regarding storage, the string object will go and place in the string constant pool and also the heap area, but in the string buffer and StringBuilder it will go and place in the heap area only. In case of implements, those string implements serializable, comparable of char sequence, but StringBuffer and StringBuilder implements serializable and char sequence interfaces. Regarding synchronization, the string and string buffer are synchronized in nature, so it is, we can say it's a thread safe. But in case of StringBuilder, it is not thread safe because of a non-synchronization. String and string buffer introduced in Java 1.0, but StringBuilder introduced in Java 1.5. And also regarding the performance, StringBuilder bit faster because of the non-synchronization nature compared to the string and string buffer. In this video, that's all guys. So if you have any doubt regarding the string buffer or StringBuilder, you just put it in comment section, let me revert back, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.